Welcome to Delphi Tube from Qasim Shahzad. Hope you are fine and thriving, and if things are not going well, don't worry, and they will pass away and better days will start. So let us resume our work. In a previous video, we created no-code calculator GUI in Delphi, and I was about to stop there, but many friends asked that how we should implement keystrokes or actual calculator logic in this. So I am creating this next part to see how things goes, and it's also a very short program, about 100 or 120 lines of code, and I hope you can easily understand all parts, and I will do it slowly. So let us refresh our memory. What was our software previously? So this was our application, and we created this GUI, no code calculator GUI in Delphi, and it's working fine. With working fine, I mean its GUI is fine, but it has no logic, no processing, and it cannot process. You see, whatever things we want to add, we can do, and it will add. So first thing we need to do is we need to filter out. You see, every programmer has two things to do mainly: stop unwanted things that others will call bugs, and create wanted things that will be application features. So we have to stop unwanted things. For example, if we here we have a small keyboard, but if we bring say on-screen keyboard, then we can write in this screen whatever thing we don't want. And even if we have Unicode installed, then we can write all languages of the world. So this is not good. It will crash our application and ruin all calculations. So first thing we need to do is stop these unwanted characters and only allow allowed characters. So because unwanted characters list is very large, so we won't work on that. Instead, we will work only on allowed characters, and we will see if character enters. If the key enter is not in allowed character range, then discard that key. So let us start it.